To switch Trust Wallet installation, follow these steps. First, understand what Trust Wallet is. A popular mobile wallet for storing, sending, and receiving various cryptocurrencies. Begin by uninstalling the existing Trust Wallet application from your mobile device. This will remove all associated data, so ensure you have backed up your wallet and have the recovery phrase securely stored. Next, download and install the new version of Trust Wallet from the official website or a trusted app store. Be cautious of fake or malicious versions, as they may compromise your funds. Once installed, open the new Trust Wallet application and select the option to restore a wallet. You will be prompted to enter your recovery phrase, which is typically a series of words. Enter the phrase exactly as it was given to you when you first created your wallet. After entering the recovery phrase, Trust Wallet will sync your account and retrieve your balances. This may take a few minutes, depending on the blockchain and network congestion. As a best practice, always keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, as it is the key to accessing your funds. Never share it with anyone, and consider storing it in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet. In addition, enable two-factor authentication and biometric security to add an extra layer of protection to your wallet. This will help prevent unauthorized access and protect your assets. Finally, review and understand the terms and conditions of the new Trust Wallet installation, as they may have changed. By following these steps, you can successfully switch your Trust Wallet installation and continue to manage your cryptocurrencies securely.